As we head into this heat wave, many might be looking to cool off and possibly even install a new air conditioning unit this season.
But with so many different kinds of things back ordered over the last year, how available are air conditioners right now? Well, NBC 26's Valerie Juarez looks into it.
Shortages of air conditioning units could have you feeling the heat this summer. That is, if you don't get your hands on one anytime soon.
The demand for air conditioners in the area, we see obviously with the weather, is increasing every day, and going into next week we feel the demand is going to increase steadily.
Robinson Heating and Cooling out of De Pere provides central air for customers.
More of the residential equipment that we're seeing somewhat of shortages on are more on the residential end of the business.
Tyker says the shortages are due to back orders of certain materials.
Right now, depending on the equipment a person is looking to purchase, we can get air conditioners installed within a week. Some of it is potentially pushed out to 3 to 4 weeks. So it all depends on the time frame of when someone calls and when they purchase.
Is that average compared to other years, or?
Other years, usually it was like a 1 to 3 week turnaround. We're a little bit bigger of a company, so usually we can get guys from different jobs and take care of installations a little bit quicker.
And how about when it comes to the smaller window AC units? Are they readily available right now, or what is that market looking like?
Yeah, we see every spring when the temperature starts to rise, it seems like there's an abundance at first, but most places generally sell out of them pretty quickly.
Experts are urging homeowners to call contractors now, in case the parts they need take a while to get them. In De Pere, Valerie Juarez, NBC 26.
So what about if you're not in the market for a new central air unit, but you want to maintain the one you have? Keep it running well. Well, experts at Robinson Heating and Cooling say you can help by trimming back tree branches, bushes, and other plants that can be nearby the unit and can restrict its airflow. They also recommend changing out the filter in your furnace.